TCL 40C is a solid smartphone that comes with various useful features. To take amazing photos even in low light, the camera of this device can be a great option to invest in. And why just photography? The smartphone seems to be a decent performer to conduct video calling and gaming. Talking about display and camera, a 6.75-inch IPS LCD is set on top of TCL 40C. The capacitive front screen of the smartphone also provides an aspect ratio of 20:9, 90 Hz refresh rate, 720 by 1600 pixels resolution and 260 pixels per inch pixel density. On the rear side of TCL 40C, a triple camera model is installed. The setup main camera offers a resolution of 50 megapixels and the secondary cameras have 2 megapixels resolutions respectively. On the other hand, an 8 megapixels is placed for selfies. The camera sent AAS important camera aspects are HDR mode, touch to focus, face detection, exposure compensation, ISO control and continuous shooting mode. About configuration and battery. Inside TCL 40C, a RAM of 4 GB is present along with a chipset Mediatek Helio G37. To boost the smartphone performance, the brand has installed an octa-core, Cortex-A53 and Cortex-A53 CPU. Furthermore, the device has a PowerVR GE8320 GPU for graphical outputs. The non-removable battery of TCL 40C has a 5010 mAh capacity. This battery is a part of the Li polymer family and is compatible with an 18W charging system. Let's talk about storage and connectivity. TCL 40C presents 128 GB internal memory that can be increased by up to 1 TB. Plus, to establish good connectivity, the smartphone provides elements such as 5G, Wi-Fi Direct, GPS GLONASS, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth V 5.1 and NFC.